Dear students, you have English literature book The Honeycomb in class 7th. And in this video we'll see the question answer of the chapter The Gift of Chappal. And the very first question is, what is the secret that Meena shares with Mridu in backyard? And the answer will be, Meena shared the secret of having a kitten in the backyard that they have found outside the gate in the morning. And the next question is, how does Ravi get milk for kitten? And the answer is, for getting milk for the kitten, Ravi told Patti that he is hungry when she saw him with a glass of milk. Patti got so suspicious, so Ravi had to drink most of the milk and told Patti that he will wash the tumbler by himself. After that, Ravi ran and poured the milk into coconut shell and then ran back to wash the tumbler before Patti got really suspicious. So this is how he brought milk for kitten. And the next question is, question number 3. Who does he say, Ravi, the kitten's ancestor are? Do you believe him? The answer will be, he said the kitten's ancestor was the Mahabalipuram Rishi cat, who was the inbuilt of Pallava dynasty, and the Mahabalipuram Rishi cat was descendant of cat goddess of Egypt. और यहाँ पे आपका opinion भी मांगा है. Do you believe him? So my opinion is no. I don't believe him because I know that Ravi was just making a story. Okay. So the next question is question number 4. Ravi has a lot to say about MP Punnai. This shows that he is merely trying to impress Mridu. Second, his knowledge of history is sound. Third, he has a rich imagination. Fourth, he is an intelligent child. Which of these statements do you agree or disagree to? So the answer will be second and third. He wanted to show that his knowledge of history is sound and he has a rich imagination. And the next question is, what was the noise that startled Mridu and frightened Mahendran? Answer, the sound of screeching startled Mridu and frightened Mahendran. It was the sound of violin that Lalli was learning to play. Next question number 6. The music master is making lovely music. Read aloud the sentence in the text that expresses this idea. So we will skip this question and we'll go to the question number 7. Had the baker come to Rukkumani's house for the first time? Give reason for your answer. So the answer will be no. The baker had not come to Rukkumani's house for the first time because Patti said to Tapi that he had been coming in their house every day for the past week and it's time to find him another house to beg from. So this is the reason for our answer and the answer is no. And the next question is question number 8. A sharp V-shaped line has formed between her eyebrows. What does it suggest to you about Rukkumani's mood? And the answer will be, V-shaped eyebrow is formed only when people are in anger. This suggests that Rukkumani was very angry in mood when she came to know about the missing chappal of music teacher. Question number 9. Describe the music teacher as seen from the window. So here it's asking the appearance of music teacher as seen from the window. And the answer is, as seen from the window, music teacher had a bony finger. He had a most bald head with a fring of oil black hair falling around his ear and an old-fashioned tuft. A gold chain gleamed around his leathery neck and a diamond ring glittered on his hand as it glided up and down the stem of the violin. A large foot stuck out from the beneath of his gold border vesti edge. Vesti means dhoti. And he was beating time on the floor with his scrawny big toes. Scrawny means sukha hua dubla patla. Okay. So the next question is question number 10. It has 2 sub questions. Number 1 is, what makes Mridu conclude that the beggar had no money to buy chappal? The answer is, Mridu concluded that the beggar had no money to buy chappal because his feet was blistered. The second sub question is, what does she suggested to show her concern? she suggested Mridu and Ravi about the old pair slipper so that they could give it to the beggar. And question number 11. There is a text. Have you children? She began. And then, seeing they were curiously quiet, went on more slowly, seen animal lurking around the veranda. So from this text, some questions are quoted. So the number 1 sub question is, what do you think Rukkumani really wanted to ask? Answer is, Rukkumani actually wanted to ask the children if they had seen the music master's slipper. And the second is, why did she change her question? She changed her question because children were curiously quiet and she suspected that children must have done something with chappal. And the third is, what did she think had happened? The answer will be, she thought that the children have given the music master's chappal to old beggar. She understood. And the next question means question number 12. On getting Gopu Mama's chappal, the music teacher tried not to look too happy. Why? And the answer is very interesting. The music teacher tried not to look happy because he did not wanted to reveal his happiness of getting a new chappal of Goku Mama to others. He wanted to show that his own chappals were very expensive and branded one. Actually, he was very happy after getting Gopu Mama's chappals, okay? Question number 13. On getting a gift of chappal, the beggar vanished in a minute. Why was he in such a hurry to leave? And the answer will be, on getting a gift of chappal, the beggar vanished in a minute because he did not wanted to lose the gift of those chappals. His feet were blistered and he couldn't have got anything better from that house. And the next and last question, question number 14. Walking towards the kitchen with Mridu and Meena, Rukkumani began to laugh. What made her laugh? And the answer will be, Gopu Mama always in such a hurry to throw his shoes and socks and get into his chappal. As soon as he comes home, Rukkumani began to laugh while thinking about the reaction of Gopu Mama after hearing these incidents. And when he came to know about that they had given his new chappal to the music teacher. So this made Rukkumani laugh. So these were the question answer of the chapter, The Gift of Chappal. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel.